Hello, my dear students of class 8. I am Lalit Kumar Pathak. This is your computer class for the class 8 students. Today I am going to explain about the topic Adobe Photoshop CC. As you know, Photoshop is a photo editing application which is developed by Adobe system. In previous video, I have uploaded a lot of information about the Photoshop, such as introduction about the Photoshop, components of Photoshop, versions of Photoshop, and features of Adobe Photoshop CC over Photoshop, and the basic command used in Photoshop. Today I am going to explain about the new topic palettes, tool palettes in Photoshop. What are the use of tool palettes in Photoshop and how you can use this palette while editing your photographs. As you know, palettes are group of tools that are used to edit and manipulate your images in Photoshop. Photoshop contains over 2 dozen of palettes. Some were shown on your screen and some were hidden by the using of Windows menu. Some of the most used palettes of Photoshop are tool palettes, options palettes, layer palettes, adjustment palettes, and history palettes. Today I am going to tell you about the tool palettes. Tool palettes are used to edit and manipulate image in Photoshop. As you see in the image, these tool palettes looks similar to MS Paint tool palettes. It contains various of tools that are used to edit your images. Sometimes tool panel is not visible on the screen, or you can say Photoshop screen, Windows. Then you can choose Windows from the menu bar and select the tool panel to visible in the left side of the Photoshop window. It contains various of tools like move tool, selection tool, crop tool, eraser tool, pen tool, text tool, direct selection tool, shape tools, hand span tool, and zoom tools, and many more other tools that are very useful while editing your images in Photoshop. Another tool palettes are also displayed right side of the tool palettes, and it displays all the options for the selected tool. For example, if you select the type tool, the option palettes will display options related to text such as font, type, size and color etc. Today I am going to explain how you can use tool palettes in Photoshop with the help of keyboard shortcuts. I am going to explain about the first tool, that is move tool. It is one of the most basic tool, that is move tool. You can select it from the toolbar or simply press V for it. This tool is used to move your images from one place to another place. Next one is eraser tool. Eraser tool is used to erase anything. You can select the eraser tool from the toolbar. Simply press E for eraser tool. Pen tool. Pen tool is one of the most used tool in Photoshop. With the help of pen tool, you can write down anything or move your pen on the screen freely, just like a pen. You can get it from the toolbar, or you can use this tool by pressing P. Direct selection tool. This is mostly used for the selecting a particular node of area. You can select it from the toolbar, or you can press A for it. Undo. Undo means if you have to undo something or go back to the previous step, you can use undo. You can press Ctrl Z for Windows operating system for go one step backward. But if you want to go multiple steps backward, you need to press Ctrl plus Alt plus Z for Windows operating system. Crop tool. Crop tool is used to crop any part of the image. To select crop tool, you can select the crop tool from the tool panels, or simply press C for select the crop tool. Text tool. Text tool is used to write any text on your screen or images. You can also select the text tool from the toolbar, or press simply T for the text tool. Shape tool. Shape tool is used to draw shape like rectangle, square, ellipse or polygon. You can select any of them from the toolbar, or simply by pressing U using keyboard. Hand span. Hand span is used to move your images or scroll your images on the workspace, just like moving your images by a hand tool. You can select it from the toolbar, or simply hold the space bar key and move your cursor. Then your images move up and down. And the last tool is zoom tool. Zoom tool is used to zoom your images. It is used to increase or decrease the size of images on the screen to easily visible. You can select the image and select the magnifying tool from the toolbar, or simply press Ctrl and plus key to zoom in and If you want to zoom out, press Ctrl and minus. So that's all about the two keyboard shortcuts of tool palettes. These keyboard shortcuts are helpful while doing editing your images in Photoshop. These all keyboard shortcuts are very helpful while while editing your images in Photoshop using tool panels. So thank you, students.